Welcome back to Deep Roots Homestead. This is part 3. We got half this giant tree cut down. The contractor's dad, shout out to B. Joe's Construction, cut it down for me. We appreciate that. Still have this other giant piece to deal with, but today we're going to be doing some work out here, so stick around. Alright, so today we're going to be working on a temporary plumbing setup. We basically have plumbing PEX ran to our toilet, just so we have like a construction toilet. So I got 1/2-inch PEX. It comes down to this 1/2-inch connector right here, which is just a simple push connect to a 12 volt DC pump that we're actually going to end up running off our solar. But for right now, I'm just going to hook it to this little 12 volt battery pack that I built. I may go over that battery pack in another video. But we're going to connect this pump up. It's a auto priming self or diaphragm pump that'll actually cut off when it detects pressure. So right now it's kicking on, it's feeling the pressure in the line, but this line terminates at the end of a toilet, so it'll actually build that pressure and it should cut off. So we'll see if it cuts off. Unless that, well, actually, you know what, you gotta open the plumbing over here first. That might help. Turn the water on, and then you see in here the water actually went in there. Alright, so the pump just kicked off, so that means it's now filled that tubing up and it's pressurized. So let's go inside and check this toilet out I built. Alright, so we're back inside, so that PEX comes up and hits one of these toilet shut-off valves. And inside, as you see, tank is full. Here goes the first flush. Hopefully it doesn't shoot up in the air. Yep. Oh, that's that crazy noise you heard was actually the air in the line from when we reprimed the line. So now if we look in here, yep, I hear the pump kicking on. I see the toilet filling up. Don't see any leaks. So we'll wait for the pump to kick off and then we'll know it works. And I realize this toilet's sitting on the unfinished floor. I will redo that flange when I finish the floor out with tile. But again, this is just sitting on the unfinished floor just so we can have a toilet while we're constructing this place. We're doing it on weekends and afternoons, so it's a stretched out process. This will be a much needed convenience. Pump just kicked off. That means the toilet's full. Yep, so we're operational. On the other side of this little bathroom will be my office / server room. Spilled some chainsaw oil right there. So we'll have our Ethernets come down, hit a patch panel, and go down to my rack mount server and switch that will be somewhere in this corner. In this particular room, I did 2 quad outlets, so this will go to the main and that will go to the solar. So I have both options in my server room, so if I need to switch servers because power goes down, I have that option. Kitchen. Refrigerator, microwave in the cabinet goes up, stove, cabinet, sink, dishwasher, flat LED lights. Fire alarm goes to that little blue junction boxes. Finally finished tearing out the walls, cedar, sheetrock, tongue and groove, everything that was upstairs in the loft. Let's take a little look-see up here and see what we got. This ladder is super sketch. So this first little loft area, the Austin's room. This next little loft area will be the entryway into the loft. We're gonna cut a hole in the floor and put some stairs right about there. This will be like a closet area. And then back there in the new extension will be one big room, and that will be the master bedroom for now. One more walkthrough. And again, we're an in-home preschool, so we have a preschool in here and we also live in the back part. So this front area will be all classroom. We'll wrap around over here. Wood burning stove will be out of here. We just use that for construction times. There's a little bathroom area. There's my office area. This will be a kitchen area.
wraps around this way, straight through here is another bedroom slash utility room. Again, on my main home runs and wires go to my main meter out there. Other side of that wall, there is the porch door, and this little area will be washer and dryer. And there's that Jack and Jill bathroom. There's bedroom 1 closet. Walk through the bathroom, there'll be a stand-up shower here, toilet here, sink over here behind this plywood. Those 2 big wires coming down will be for my tankless hot water heater. And we are in the other bedroom now. There's the other bedroom closet is. And then again, above us will be a loft area, a big loft area that we're going to use for a master at first. Open that area up there. Put a cool window up there, let light in. And there is the back side of the original house. Still have some wood to tear out. Sorry for the terrible angle. So we won't have much of an attic. We'll have these little spaces right here that have these wire runs. That'll be my attic space on each side of the house. Again, sub panel. Main panel back in that corner on the outside wall. I think that's it.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate the support. Our next big goal is getting to 1,000 subscribers, so subscribe if you haven't already. I apologize, we lost a bunch of footage. I dropped my phone off the top of my car, and I've been doing most of my recording with my phone, as I wasn't exactly planning on doing this. I promise in future videos to make the quality of the video and sound a little bit better. Continue to follow along with us, and we hope to inspire somebody else to do something crazy just like this. Thank y'all for watching.